Okay, right. Now we'll move on to the Unit 5, Soaps and Detergents. Now in this we are going to see the definition of soap, detergents, and what is meant by saponification, the types of soaps, and the classification of detergents. So now we'll move on to the definition. What are soaps? Soaps are water-soluble sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids. Soaps are made from fats and oils or their fatty acids by treating them chemically with strong alkali. Now, what is meant by saponification? Saponification is the process that involves the conversion of fat or oil into soap and alcohol by the action of heat in the presence of aqueous alkali. Soaps are salts of fatty acids, and the fatty acids are monocarboxylic acids that have a long chain, that is at least 10 carbon atoms. For example, sodium palmitate. Now, in simple terms, saponification is defined as the name for a chemical reaction between an acid and a base to form a salt. So, in the manufacture of soap, using the cold method, oil or fat is mixed with the lye. That is, the oil or the fat is the acid, and lye is nothing but it is a base to form the soap. That is the. Now, what are the types of soap? They are soft soap, medicated soap, herbal soap, shaving soap. Now, what is meant by soft soap? Soft soap is referred to as soap that is liquid or easily soluble, usually made by saponification with potassium instead of the more typical sodium hydroxide. Soft soaps, trade name of a liquid soap product. These are obtained from oils and fats. Example, tristerin is obtained from beef and mutton tallow. Tripalmitin is present in palm oil, and triolin is found in lard. Tristerin, when treated with potassium hydroxide, glycerol, and potassium stearate, soap is formed. Medicated soap, that is antibacterial soap. The medicated antibacterial soap contains antibacterial chemicals such as triclosan, which is alcohol. Apart from triclosan, trichlocarbon, trichlorocarbamide, and chloroxylenol tetrasodium EDTA are generally used for antibacterial effect in these soaps. The next one is armitron soap. This medication is used to treat scabies, a condition caused by tiny insects called mites that infest and irritate your skin. Permethrin belongs to a class of drug known as pyrethrins. The next one is the antifungal soap. Antifungal soaps are made by adding organic medicinal plant extracts, vitamin E, essential oils, natural glycerin, sulfur, and zinc oxide, tea tree oil, or etc. into the soap. Herbal soap. Herbal soaps are the perfect way to stay fresh and hygienic without res- resorting to chemicals. Herbal soaps contains the natural goodness of nature, and this makes them nourishing for the skin. It offers comfort, healing, and stress relief as well as example aloe vera. They contain a natural antioxidant, antiseptic, and antimicrobial properties. Herbal soaps have an aroma which makes them extra special. It has a selection of exclusive elements and is devoid of artificial color and fragrance. Handmade herbal soaps have therapeutic benefits in addition. Those with sensitive skin or conditions such as psoriasis, etc., can take aid from natural handmade soaps. Shaving soap. Shaving soap typically refers to a hard soap that is whipped into a lather using a shaving brush. The lather is produced, the lather it produces is used to coat the face during shaving, providing protection and lubrication for the laser. Among cartridge razors used, shaving soap has largely been displaced by canned shaving foam or gel, but for hard shaving soap are still utilized by user of a double-edged safety razor and straight razor. Shaving soap is produced by a traditional soap with an ingredient selection oriented to produce a stable, slick lather. Its manufactures often differs slightly from normal bath soap in that both potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide may be used as saponification agent. Sodium hydroxide creates a harder soap such as is used in pucks where sodium potassium hydroxide facilitates creation of a softer soap which loads on the brush more than detergents. The soluble cleansing action which combines with impurities and dirts to make them more soluble and differ from soap in not forming a scum with the salt in hot water. A detergent is a surfactant or a mixture of surfactants with cleaning properties in dilute solution. These substances are usually alkyl benzene sulfonates, a family of compounds that are similar to soap but are more soluble in hard water because the polar sulfonate is less likely than the polar carboxylate to bind to calcium and other ions found in hard water. Detergents are commonly available as powders or concentrated solutions. Detergents like soaps work because they are amphiphilic, partly hydrophilic, and partly hydrophobic. Their dual nature facilitates the mixture of hydrophobic compounds like oils and grease with water. Because air is not hydrophilic, detergents are also foaming agents to various degrees. Classification of detergents. Detergents are classified into three groups depending upon the electrical charge of the surfactant. That is anionic detergent, cationic detergents, and non-ionic and zwitterionic detergents. Anionic detergents. Among synthetic detergents, commonly referred to as synthets, anionic active types are the most important. The molecule of an anionic active synthetic detergent is a long carbon chain into which a sulfur group is attached, that is SO3, forming the negatively charged anionic part. This carbon chain must be so structured that a sulfur group can be easily attached easily by industrial process, which may employ sulfuric acid, oleum, gaseous sulfur trioxide, or chlorosulfonic acid. The cationic detergents, they are quaternary ammonium salts of amines with acetate, chlorides, or bromides as anions. They have cations at the soluble ends of the chain. Cations are long chain hydrocarbons having a positive N charge, or you can say a positive charge on N atom. A very good example is cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. The next one is the non-ionic detergents. They contain molecules with head groups that are uncharged. They can be further classified into polyoxyethylene and glycosidic compounds. Detergents based on polyoxyethylene and similar compounds contain a neutral polar head group, and the tails are composed of hydrophobic oxyethylene chains or in some cases ethylene glycoether chains. Detergents with a glycosidic base tends to use a sugar as the head group such as glucose or maltose and contains an alkyl polymer tail. Non-ionic detergents are less harsh than ionic detergents, having a limited ability to break the interactions. Because of this, they are considered to be non-denaturing and great for processes which where keeping protein structure intact is important. Next is zwitterionic. The polar heads groups of zwitterionic detergents contain both negatively and positively charged atomic groups. Therefore, the overall charge is neutral. The strength of action of these compounds is considered to be intermediate between ionic and non-ionic detergents. But these zwitterionic detergents effectively break the protein bond while maintaining the native state and the charge of the individual proteins. Now there are certain questions, that is the define soap and saponification, then writing a short notes on soft soap, medicated soap, shaving soap, detergents, and anionic detergents. Kindly go through this and get ready for the answers. Thank you, students.